My name is Maya. I am a single mother. I live in a small English town called Riverside. I run a small cafeteria near the bus station. It is not fancy, but it helps me survive. I make coffee, simple meals, and sandwiches. I work long hours every day. I have a daughter. Her name is Tara. She is 16 years old. 14 years ago, I left my husband. His name was Aaron. Aaron was a police officer. He was angry. He was violent. He controlled everything I did. One night, I took money from him and ran away with my baby. That money helped us survive. But I lived in fear for many years. I never thought he would find us. Next door to my cafeteria lives a man named Nathan Wright. He is a mathematics teacher at the local school. Nathan is quiet. He does not talk much, but he is kind. Every morning he buys lunch from my cafeteria. He always comes at the same time. He always smiles politely. Sometimes we talk about small things, the weather, school, life. I think those few minutes are the happiest part of his day. One night, everything changed. It was late. The cafeteria was closed. Tara was at home with me. There was a loud knock at the door. It was Aaron. He looked older, but his eyes were the same. Cold. Dangerous. He said I owed him money. He said he knew where I lived. He threatened my daughter. I was terrified. Aaron became violent. He grabbed me. Tara tried to stop him. Everything happened very fast. We screamed. We fought. Aaron fell to the floor. He stopped moving. He was dead. We stood there in shock. My hands were shaking. Tara was crying. We did not know what to do. That was when Nathan came. He heard the noise. He knocked on the door. When he saw Aaron, he understood everything. Nathan stayed calm. He told us to sit down. He told us to breathe. He said he would help us. Nathan took control. He told us to clean ourselves. He told Tara to stay inside. He wrapped Aaron's body. He took it away during the night. I did not ask questions. I was too scared. I trusted him. The next morning, life looked normal. But inside, I was broken. A few days later, the police came to town. Aaron was missing. The case was given to Inspector Danielle Harris. He was Nathan's old classmate from school. Danielle stayed in Riverside for several days. He asked many questions. He talked to me. He talked to Tara. He talked to people from the cafeteria. Nathan also spoke to him. Danielle noticed something strange. Nathan said he barely knew me. But people from the cafeteria said Nathan came every day. They said he watched me closely. Danielle started to suspect Nathan. Nathan had no alibi for the night Aaron disappeared. Soon the police found evidence near Nathan's house, things that pointed to him. I felt terrible. Nathan had saved us, and now he was in danger because of me. I went to the police station. I told them there was nothing romantic between us. I said Nathan was just a neighbor. But it was too late. Nathan went to the police himself. He confessed. He said he killed Aaron to protect me and my daughter. I cried when I heard this. The police believed him. Later, I visited Nathan at the station. He looked tired but peaceful. He told me he had felt lost for many years. His work meant everything to him. But when he failed at something important, he felt empty. Helping us gave his life meaning again. He said he was not afraid of prison. He said I should live freely with my daughter. Nathan was sent to prison for many years. I moved away with Tara. We started a new life in another town. I still run a cafeteria. Tara is in college now. Some nights I think about Nathan. I trusted my neighbor, and he gave up everything to protect us. I will never forget that.